Namaskar. Longevity, living longer, staying youthful, aging gracefully, has become new buzzword today. Everyone wants to know the secret. People are trying expensive pills, therapies, supplements, even extreme biohack. But what if I told you that most expensive biohack isn't new at all? It's ancient and free. It's as simple as correcting the way you breathe. In yoga, lifespan is not measured in years. It is expected to be measured in breaths. Faster and shallower your breathing, the more quickly you exhaust your energy. The slower and deeper your breath, the more calmly and consciously you live. Take a look at nature. A dog breathes rapidly, panting almost all the time, and its lifespan is around 10-15 years. A tortoise, on the other hand, breathes slowly, calmly, sometimes just 4 breaths in 1 minute, and it lives for over 150 years. Nowadays, most of you have shallow, short breaths. Just pause and observe your own breaths for 5-10 seconds. How many of them are long, deep, and relaxing? See, proper breath is the only way to ensure a long and a healthy life. If you truly want to extend your life, not just in length, but in quality, you must first learn to breathe properly. Studies have found that yogic lifestyle and pranayama can help you improve your health of your chromosome. That is, you can increase your lifespan at a genetic level. Let me share with you 3 yogic breathing practices that can help increase vitality, improve lung function, and bring a sense of calm that naturally supports longevity. We begin with Yogendra Pranayama number 1, that is equal breathing. This practice helps us become aware of our natural breath and lays the foundation for more advanced technique. Let's begin. Stand or sit erect in any meditative posture. Relax the shoulder and keep hands by your side. If you're standing, keep your feet apart, eyes focused. If seated, gently close your eyes. Ensure that your spine is upright and abdomen is held in its natural contour. Now inhale slowly and continuously in a relaxed manner to a count that is comfortable for you. As soon as inhalation is complete, begin exhaling slowly, keeping the same count as the inhalation. That is, inhalation and exhalation must be equal. Bring your attention to soft and uninterrupted flow of breaths. Become aware of the respiratory muscles, that is, diaphragm, intercostal, and clavicular muscles. You may just do 5 rounds to begin with, keeping each count no longer than 3 seconds. This simple practice improves focus, calms the nervous system, and gently quietens the mind. Now, let us move to the second technique, that is diaphragmatic breathing. The diaphragm is exercised in this pranayama. When relaxed, it is convexed, but it flattens during inhalation, thereby enlarging the thoracic cavity and allowing the expansion of the lungs. Let's see now how to practice this diaphragmatic breathing. Lie supine and pull up the knees. Bring your legs close to the hips. Keep your feet 1 foot apart or hip width as per your comfort. Knees close to each other. Place the right hand on the abdomen. Other hand can rest on the side of the body, palm facing upwards. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale gently. Move the abdomen upwards. As soon as inhalation is complete, exhale out smoothly. Be aware that the abdomen is falling and sinking in. Keep inhalation and exhalation count equal. And when the breath becomes full and rhythmic, life also becomes full and rhythmic. These pranayams soothes the nervous system, improve concentration, and gradually brings the entire body into balance. What happens with the regular pranayama practice is that your parasympathetic nervous system becomes active. The PNS slows down. Bodily activity after stress, helping your body return to a calm, balanced state. It works in opposition to the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight mood. So use these pranayama to increase the activity of your parasympathetic nervous system. It will make your life so much better. And it is in this sense of inner balance, not outward struggle, that becomes a foundation for longevity. In yoga, we do not try to control life. We learn to flow with it. And the breath is that flow which connects the body with the mind and the mind with your spirit. So, if you wish to live long, do not run behind time. Learn to sit still with your breath at least 5 minutes a day. That is all it takes. Because to breathe consciously is to live consciously. And a conscious life is the most beautiful life of all. Namaskar.